One fine morning, little Tsunamika walked along the seashore. Playing with the waves. Just then, she heard a voice calling out. She turned to look and saw a little fish waving a friendly fin.
Hey little girl, would you like to join me for a swim?
Yes, let's go. My name is Tsunamika. What's yours?
My name is Mimi. Would you like to come to my house?
Tsunamika and Mimi dove into the depths like two little jet planes doing all kinds of underwater acrobatics. They soon approached an underwater city. Tsunamika saw that the city was filled with a lot of garbage, all kinds of plastic, from computer parts to fishing nets, all scattered around. Mimi sees Mama Fish and quickly swims to her in excitement. She then introduces Tsunamika to her family and they all welcomed her joyfully.
Hello Tsunamika, I'm Mrs. Bobo, Mimi's mother.
Hello, Mrs. Bobo.
Mrs. Bobo noticed the sadness in Tsunamika's face as she watches all the debris lying around.
Cheer up, little girl. You have the power to save our city.
I'm so small. How can I have such powers?
No problem is too big for those who care. When you go back to the land, request your friends to reduce the use of plastic. Recycle and upcycle plastic as much as you can.
If we do little things right, great things will happen. Isn't that right, Mother?
Tsunamika smiles and recognizes her responsibility. She bids them goodbye and started to head back home. As she went, she was determined to do something to save the ocean and her fish friends. That evening, Tsunamika invited her friends to her house and told them all that she saw in the ocean.
Hi, Punna. Hi, Navina. I want to tell you all something really interesting. Today I went in the great blue ocean with my fish friend Mimi. I also went to her house. It is such a beautiful world underwater. So much to see, so much to discover. But there is so much of plastic and our garbage there. It was everywhere. In the corals, in the seabed, floating in the ocean. It was even stuck in the fins of the fish. I was shocked and really upset. Friends, this garbage belongs to us and is our responsibility.
But Tsunamika, we are so little. How can we help the mighty ocean?
Mrs. Bobo told me that no problem is too big for those who care. Friends, this garbage belongs to us and it is our responsibility. You know what? We are the change makers. So let us take this pledge today. I will reduce the use of plastic. I will carry my bag every time I go to the shop. I will separate wet and dry garbage at home. I will not burn plastic or throw them away in the dump. I will try to find creative ways to use discarded plastic.
Let's save our oceans from plastic and pollution. If we need a solution, we are the change maker.
By little efforts, they showed their love for the ocean and Tsunamika became the voice of the ocean.
Let's save our oceans from plastic and pollution. If we need a solution, we are the change maker.